So this week at Cosy Cottage, we are celebrating our honey and rosehip oil face cream. This has become a real favourite with our customers, and we receive feedback, 5-star feedback in fact, day after day on this one. It's so popular in our store too. This is a product that I designed, and I hand-picked all of the ingredients for this, having referred to scientific research around which ingredients really did convey benefits for skin. So the first ingredient I chose for this is shea butter, and the reason I chose shea butter is because of the high concentrations of fatty acids and vitamins. This softens, it nourishes, repairs tired skin. In here there's also Yorkshire sourced royal honey to naturally balance bacteria, control blemishes and help with acne. There's also Rosehip Seed Oil, and that's high in fatty acids like linoleic acid, but it's also good for hydrating itchy skin and tightening skin. There's hemp seed oil in here too. So hemp seed oil contains tocopherols, and tocopherols are similar to vitamin E type compounds. And we all recognize vitamin E in its enriching and regenerating properties for skin cells. There's aloe vera juice in here too, and aloe vera juice contains enzymes, antioxidants and vitamins A and C that treats and soothes dry skin. It renews and it refreshes. And then there's coconut oil. That's one of my particular favourites. It's got unrivaled moisturising properties to minimise wrinkles and to ameliorate, if you like, the signs of ageing and boost nutrients in the skin. There's Patchouli Essential Oil, another of my favourites. That's been traditionally used for years in treating skin conditions and sensitivities, things like dermatitis, acne, and even dry skin. Then in there too, there's everyone's favourite, geranium essential oil, with its lovely rose-like fragrance when the geranium flowers are distilled. That is a very uplifting fragrance, and it's also an antioxidant known to have properties to slow down skin ageing. So that's one of our particular favourites, our face cream, and it's certainly worth celebrating. It's something that is loved universally by young people just starting out on their skincare regime, where maybe they're looking for a natural product, which ours is, rather than complex chemicals that they may not want to embrace as part of their first skincare regime. It's also loved by more mature people. We get a lot of feedback from ladies with menopausal skin about the value of this for their skincare regime. So, one of our favourites and one of your favourites too.